Is whole life insurance a complete waste of money? I'm going to break down 4 types of life insurance quickly, and at the end, I'll tell you kind of my opinion. We're going to do term, whole life, IULs, and infinite banking. Term life insurance is what I recommend for probably 90% of people. It's what insurance, in my opinion, is supposed to be. It protects you for a certain term, hence the name, 10, 20, 30 years, and during that term, if anything were to happen, you or the beneficiaries get a payout. Term life insurance can be really cheap, like $1 or $2 a day, and I suggest usually getting somewhere between like 5, 8, 10 times your annual salary in coverage. Whole life insurance is basically a forced savings plan. Instead of paying $20 a month, you're going to pay like $500 or $700 a month. Some of that is going to go to the insurance portion, and some of that is going to be invested. You're going to get probably like a 4 or 5% return, about half what the stock market gets, but it's going to force you to invest. The problem is you're going to pay 20 times more than term life insurance, and on top of that, get half what you could get inside the stock market. The reason so many of us are pushed into it is because salespeople make a killing selling this, and that's why you're going to see a bunch of them down in that comments telling me I'm wrong. Number 3 is an IUL. It is very similar to whole life insurance. Some of it is going to go to insurance, some of it's going to go to an investment, but they tag it to a specific index, but then cap you. What makes the stock market good are those good years, and you're giving up all the upside potential of the stock market during those good years. Infinite banking is a strategy you can use with IULs or whole life. When you get a whole life policy and put hundreds of thousands of dollars into it, eventually you amass this cash value or that investment arm. You can actually take a loan against it to go do other things. So let's say I've amassed $300,000. I can take a loan against that policy just like you would take a loan against your house, and you can go use that for other things. For 90% of people, you should get term life insurance, invest the rest. Don't be sold by a salesperson to try to convince you to whole life. It does work for some people, but a very small majority. Some people who sell whole life are going to get pretty mad at me down in the comments, but insurance is for catastrophes, investing is to build wealth. Don't mix the two. If you're looking to grow your net worth, follow me.